silver, gold, GDXJ, GDX, SILJ, SIL. We are having a calm before I believe there's a storm just around the corner. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So let's have a look at what I was talking about at all these markets here. Let's start off with the silver gold first. And then we'll get into the mining stocks. Silver and gold. Gold right now, we have had a very nice move up. And if I bring up, say, the last sort of maybe a little bit less than 1 year of data, you can see we've had a move up from here. And if you guys remember around about this time, I was screaming, no FOMO, no FOMO. People called me idiots. We got the drop. And now we've done nothing ever since. And so right now we're getting ready. We're doing plenty of time now, or what I like to call an energy building phase. And you can see we're just not doing much. This is the energy building phase, or what we call the calm. And I believe there's a storm just around the corner when looking at gold. We can see, and gold actually likes to do this. You can see in the past that gold had a low, then made a nice move up, and then did nothing for a while, and then made a nice move up. Now we come back down, and now we're not doing nothing for a while, and I believe we're probably likely to make a nice move up very, very shortly. Moving on now through to silver. It's sort of the same thing as well too. Now silver's been making this pattern again and again and again and again. And it's a phenomenal pattern, and it's a calm before the storm or an energy building phase. We can see the market moves up, and then we go through an energy building phase. Have a little move up, we have a long energy building phase, and now look, we have a bam, come down, and now we're just going sideways all through here. This is the calming effect. And when the market gets really, really, really quiet, that's when your ears need to be perked up to say, you know what, what's going on here? And that's what I teach is all about getting ready for opportunities. And that's obviously with the free trading course, guys. You know, johnsfreegift.com. Free trading course. There's like 7 videos there. Teach you all from chart reading, trading systems. I'm just giving it away for free. So go to johnsfreegift.com and you'll be able to get the trading course. Now, the thing is that chart reading, you can see here we have a calming effect. And I believe we're getting ready to have a nice move up from here. Now, moving on through to the silver market, I truly believe, looking at this here, I truly believe once we start to see a nice little breakout above, say, 30, I have a target of about 30, possibly even 36, 35, 36. Now, where am I getting that from? We can see, look at this back on silver. We can see right now the market actually went from a low as, say, around about that $11.50 mark. Big move up to $30. Pretty much doubled from the 15 to 30. Now we're not doing much. You can see we're holding here right now around about that $26 level. And you can see that's the support level back in the past. So if I'm looking at this right now, and we do start to see a nice move back up again, which I believe is just around the corner, but who knows, it could be down from here. But if we just start to see a nice little breakout and we start to see a bit of a continuation, then we've got a really good probability of getting around that $35 to $36 level based on this latest resistance level, all of these major resistance level back here. So for those who are perking their ears up, which means they're waiting patiently for some sort of action, and that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting. I am the lion in the grass. In fact, I was watching a show just recently where the crocodiles will sit there patiently waiting hour after hour after hour for the cows to come in and get a little bit of a drink of their water. And then bam, the crocodile will attack. And that's the way we need to play this game called trading. We need to sit and wait and wait and wait. And if you have to wait a whole day, if you have to wait a whole week, if you have to wait a whole month for that one opportunity that you know is a really good setup based on your pattern, based on your trading system, bam, you want to be the crocodile, then you jump into it. If you can do that, you won't have a lot of trades throughout the entire year. Your success rate will be massively high. And within that, you'll have confidence to put on a bit more money per trade. And before you know it, YouTube can just on those trades become a multiple 6-figure trader or even a multiple 7-figure trader over the next, say, 4 to 5 years, even starting from a small trading account. That's how you see traders do really well, starting from a small trading account. They research and research and research, and that's the thing we can learn from Warren Buffett and these other really successful investors. And the same with me. I don't trade a lot with my number one trading system that I trade. I don't trade a lot, but the trades that do come along, oh my goodness, they work so well when everything is aligned. Now, where do us humans, including myself, go wrong? We want to take this other BS between the really good trades, right? What happens if we could just wait for those really good trades to come and not take all these other, oh, it might be, it could be, think, hope, etc., etc. Then that's how we can start to see some really big progress throughout the year. And, guys, if just say, for example, you knew you're going to have 10 trades throughout the entire year, pretty much most of those are going to make a really nice profit. And let's say the average profit was 100% return trading options, but you only had 10 trades a year. Okay, but the average profit was 100%. Well, if you did a $10,000 trade on that, you are now making $100,000. If you did $200,000 or $20,000 on those trades, you're now making $200,000. See what I'm saying there? That's the way you want to have the mentality of looking at these markets, not jumping in and jumping out and jumping in. Because I do that sometimes every now and then, and then guess what ends up happening? We only lose money, don't we? So the more we can sit down and wait for those we could be the crocodile, right? Wait for the cow to come. If we have a look at the GDX, we are starting to slowly break out, but we're still in this overall really not much going on phase. But if we start to break up on the GDXJ, then I truly believe I truly believe the GDXJ has already started its big bull market, and we're just going through a bit of a pullback before we start to see a move up to around about 100, I believe. And moving on now through to the GDX, and that's sort of the same thing as well too. Looks like we're starting to break out. The next resistance level on the GDX is around about this sort of 55. So that's where I believe we're probably likely to start to see a bit of a scoot moot. That's right, scoot moot. Bit of a scoot moot to the upside. Once again, guys, and in the free trading course I'm giving away, in a couple of videos, I teach you chart reading techniques, and one of them is understanding the trend analysis in this. So if we go to the SILJ, the big thing I can see with the SILJ is this. We're doing a bit of a scoot moot right now. That's right, scoot moot. SCOOTMOOT. Scoot moot. Scoot moot. Moot? Is that moot? Is there an E there somewhere? I don't know. But one thing I do say is if we start to scoot moot above $17, then we do have a bit of resistance just above there, which is around about this, I'd say $20 level, which is a nice even number because the market loves to run the even numbers. So I believe if we can get a bit of a scoot moot out of here, then we're probably on our way up to around about the $20 mark. And then the SIL, I believe the SIL itself, the next major resistance, the next major one, we can see that we have a big move coming, I believe, in the SILJ. Once we continue breaking past 55, then I believe we're on our way up to 75, but not straight away, guys. We're going to do something like we can see here on the weekly charts. You can see we went up for about a month or two, and then we had about a month of pull back for a month or two, and then maybe a couple of months of pullback. And that's what we're probably likely to start to see on the way up there. So if you start to see this market break out and you are long and you get a bit of a pullback, don't get your knickers in a knot. Make sure you have your stops in place, and then we're probably likely to start to see something like that. But there's obviously no guarantees of that happening, guys. We could do this, a little bit of false breakout and rally to the downside. So you guys do whatever you guys are doing when it comes to your trading and your trading system. Never trade based on what you think is going to happen. I say, well, I think it's going to get to, I think it's probably going to get to $75. My trading, when I trade, I say, oh, I'm trading because there's my setup. See the differences there, guys? So that's what I'm saying through there, guys. Once again, make sure you grab that free trading course I'm giving away. I really want to help you guys. So go to johnsfreegift.com, grab the free trading course right now. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Guide to the Markets by the Boys trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.